Have you guys ever wanted to play the mod that Aphmau has made multiple videos about, which are the Tsunami mods, which it's not actually a tsunami, technically, it's more of a, you do either use a command or a bucket or something else that just destroys the world with a certain kind of block. Well, I will show you how to install this very specific mod. It might not be the exact mod, but it'll give you the same effect. But to do what they do in the videos, like it comes from afar, you have to have a person do that, or you have to set a command block to do that. Anyways, if you want this mod for yourself, you're gonna go and search up the Aphmau Buckets mod for 1.7.1. And if you go to 9minecraft.net, you'll have this on your screen. It's the Tsunami Toxic, it gives you what you want. Well, to download this, you have to go all the way down to the bottom, basically, to find the download button, because I know a lot of you don't actually know where the download button for this website is. So, download is right there. Click it. Thing is going to pop up. If it's on this page, click download. Then click I do save file because I'm using Firefox. If it doesn't take you to this page, click out of that, click on it again because you probably got redirected to an ad, then you should be good as long as you downloaded it. Alright, you now downloaded it? Well, also make sure you're using, Forge version 1.7.1, because if you're not, it won't work. So download that, install it. You don't know how to do that? Go find another video on YouTube in a minute and download it, and it's really quick to install it. Then you're going to open up your Minecraft launcher. Then you're going to make sure you have the Forge version for 1.7.1. Click on it, click play, and let it load. Alright, now that you have version 1.7.1 Minecraft open, real quick, if you use another version of Forge, make sure you delete all the mods for, a different version of Minecraft, or else the game probably will not open up. I just had to go through and do that for myself real quick. And you don't have the mod installed yet. So you have the version now, you have it open. Now go to options, go to resource packs. I know it sounds like we're going to install a texture pack here. Trust me, this is a lot easier for you, though, for those of you who cannot find a certain app data folder on your computer because it is hidden. Click on open resource pack folder. You'll have this on your screen. Click on .minecraft up here, go to mods, paste the downloaded mod into it. So I'm going to download I'll just cut. Then I'll go back, then I will paste, and it's in the mods folder. Close out of that. Done. Close out of the game. Reload the game. And now that you've created a world so that you can play with the Aphmau Buckets mod, you will not go to miscellaneous like I thought because it had the bucket icon. You're going to go next over it, and you're going to go to apocalyptic buckets and pick your bucket. So you want the Tsunami bucket? Sure, we'll grab that. We're also going to grab the... where is it? Is there no... there's supposed to be a lava one, but I don't see that it's appearing. Well, use the Tsunami bucket, and it very quickly just kind of starts filling everything level with it and below. And it just goes on forever. It won't stop until it hits blocks that make it stop. Oh yeah, my game kind of froze there. Yeah, no, it kind of struggles because it's repeatedly placing a whole bunch of blocks. Oh, it's coming back. It came back. Yeah, no, be careful. This will ruin a world. Like, the further out you go, it will follow you. So, I'll go out real quick, even though it's going to kind of lag me. Like, I'm going to go to a part of the world that has not been loaded up yet, and it will be, here, we can see here, it's not yet covered by water. But sooner or later, it will be covered by water. Yeah, so be careful with the Tsunami mod. As you can see, it does exactly what the tsunamis do in Aphmau's mod. It just comes from a distance because they had another person or a command block do it from a distance away. It also kind of makes the game struggle because I have pretty good computer, and you can see how much my computer is struggling to load in the next chunks. So, well, you got your Tsunami mod that Aphmau uses, so enjoy. If you do it wrong, or if it doesn't work, leave a comment down below because I can probably help you fix it. It's not that hard to fix it, but sometimes people just don't know one simple thing that others do, and then you just do it and it's fixed. Anyways, I hope this worked for you because it worked for me, and I'm gonna have to delete this world before it crashes my computer. So, anyways, adios.